Detective Joseph West.
What do you want?
To finish what I started. The metahuman called Vibe. Call him here. Now.
Can't. I don't even know him.
You were saying?
Yes, I mean, he helps CCPD. But it's not like I have a Vibe phone so I can just call him up. He's just a masked do-gooder that shows up at crime scenes.
This could be a crime scene. You have a lovely family, Detective West. By not giving me what I want, by putting your life in danger, you're gambling their future with you. If you knew what I know, you'd cherish them more.
I'm not luring Vibe into a death trap. You can threaten me all you want. I'm not afraid.
I believe you. But you should be.